everyone, Prestissima here. Today, I'm going to show you how to practice playing your scales hands together. So far, we've been playing our scales right hand up and back down and left hand up and back down. But today, we're going to play both hands up and back down. So my friends, let us get started. An important thing to remember when you first start playing hands together is to go very, very slowly. We're going to start with our C major scale. So I'll start with my right hand on middle C and my left hand on the first C below middle C. Now what we're going to do is we're going to play very slowly. We're going to count to 4 for every note that we play. And we're going to go up and back down. Okay? So just follow along. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's do G major. I'm going to start on the first G below middle C with my right hand and the second G below middle C with my left hand. And just for fun this time, instead of saying 1 in every count of 4, I'll say the note name. Okay, here we go. G, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. B, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4. E, 2, 3, 4. F sharp, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. F sharp, 2, 3, 4. E, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. B, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. D major. Okay, I'm going to start on the first D above middle C with my right hand and first D below middle C with my left hand. Here we go. D, 2, 3, 4. E, 2, 3, 4. F sharp, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. B, 2, 3, 4. C sharp, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4. C sharp, 2, 3, 4. B, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. F sharp, 2, 3, 4. E, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4. A major. Okay, I'm going to start on the first A below middle C with my right hand and second A below middle C with my left hand. Ready? Here we go. A, 2, 3, 4. B, 2, 3, 4. C sharp, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4. E, 2, 3, 4. F sharp, 2, 3, 4. G sharp, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. G sharp, 2, 3, 4. F sharp, 2, 3, 4. E, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4. C sharp, 2, 3, 4. B, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. And E major. Let's start on the first E above middle C with our right hand and the first E below middle C with our left hand. Okay, here we go. E, 2, 3, 4. F sharp, 2, 3, 4. E, 2, 3, 4. D sharp, 2, 3, 4. C sharp, 2, 3, 4. B, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. G sharp, 2, 3, 4. F sharp, 2, 3, 4. E, 2, 3, 4. So keep practicing these scales with the 4 count very slowly, just like we've been doing every day. Don't try to play them too fast just yet. So today, we played our scales hands together, and I showed you how to practice them. You want to play them nice and slowly, and you want to do that 4 count on every note. You don't want to play them too fast just yet. So, I'll see you all next time. Prestissima out.